Hey guys, this is the Review Family, and today I'm going to make a quick video talking about the things I love and hate about this floor mop and bucket set that we purchased about a year ago. This bucket can hold 2 gallons of water, and it comes with 4 reusable microfiber pads. They are very thick and durable. We've been using this mop for about a year now, and we only changed the pad once. I love that this mop is hands-free and you don't have to touch it at all. The bucket does all the work for you. You first wash the mop head, scraping all the dirt out, and then you dry it. This makes life so much easier, and I can clean the floor so quickly. It's incredible. The mop head rotates at a 360 degree, which is great to clean the corners and other small areas. It's super easy to clean and store it, but the one thing I don't like about it is the plug in the bottom that you can use to empty out the bucket. I think that's useless. I think it's easier to just do it from the top. But overall, I love this mop, and this is pretty much the only thing we use.